become future stars. Chapter 9. Safety. Let's learn together. Understand the meaning of safety. Learn safety rules at home, school, road, and public places. Know how to stay safe during natural disasters. Follow rules to avoid accidents and stay healthy. Safety means protecting ourselves from danger and being careful in daily life. Every child must know how to stay safe at home, school, on the road, and in public places. Following safety rules helps us avoid accidents, stay healthy, and live happily. Safety at home. Do not touch fire, hot utensils, or electric switches without adult supervision. Keep sharp objects like knives, scissors, and pins out of reach. Do not run on stairs or slippery floors. Tell parents if you feel sick or get hurt. Safety at school. Follow school rules and listen to your teachers carefully. Walk carefully in corridors and staircases. Do not push or play roughly with friends. Sit properly in class and use school furniture safely. Participate in fire drills and safety activities to learn what to do in emergencies. Safety on the road. Traffic lights. Red light, stop and wait. Yellow light, get ready to stop. Green light, go carefully. Crossing the road. Always hold an adult's hand while crossing. Look left, right, and left again before crossing. Use zebra crossings or footpaths whenever possible. Walk carefully and do not run on the road. Bus safety. Wait in a queue and do not push others. Board and get off the bus carefully. Sit properly in your seat and do not stand while the bus is moving. Always listen to the bus driver and conductor for safety instructions. Safety in public places. Stay close to parents or guardians in markets, parks, or crowded areas. Do not talk to strangers or go anywhere with them. Do not accept gifts or food from unknown people. Know your home address and parents' phone numbers in case you get lost. Safety from natural disasters. During heavy rain or storms, stay indoors and avoid open spaces. During an earthquake, sit under a table or a safe place and cover your head. During a fire, stay calm, use the nearest exit, and do not run. Always listen to adults for instructions during emergencies. Safety is important everywhere at home, school, on the road, and in public places. By following safety rules like traffic signals, crossing roads carefully, and traveling safely in buses, we can avoid accidents and stay healthy and happy. Being careful and responsible makes life safe and enjoyable. Recap. Safety means being careful and avoiding accidents. At home, do not touch fire, electricity, or sharp objects. At school or walk carefully, don't push, and follow teachers. On the road, follow traffic lights, use a zebra crossing, and hold an adult's hand. In public, stay with parents, don't talk to strangers. During disasters, stay calm and listen to adults. Word search. Safety, protecting ourselves from danger. Accident, an event that can hurt us. Traffic light, signals that control vehicles on the road. Zebra crossing, white stripes on the road for people to cross safely. Emergency, protecting ourselves from danger. Fire drill, an event that can hurt us. Disaster, a big danger like a flood, storm, or an earthquake. Stranger, a person we do not know. Like, share, and subscribe.